Are you a Kansas City Chiefs fan? I am. Do you want to celebrate 2023's Super Bowl win, or our MVP quarterback, or the SB's Team of the Year? One way to celebrate and to get psyched up about this year's football season is to create a Kansas City Chiefs Apple Watch face. It's super simple to do, takes just a few minutes of your time, doesn't require any special apps, and it's totally free. If you cheer for another NFL team, you can follow the same steps to create your own custom Apple Watch face. This is Jacqui from PlanaHealthyLife. In the description box, I've linked to the accompanying blog post, which has some Chiefs football images you can use, or you can follow these instructions to create your own custom football watch face. Let's get started. So what do you need to create a custom Kansas City Chiefs Apple Watch face? It's super easy. The only thing you need to create your custom Chiefs watch face are an Apple Watch and an iPhone. Step 1. Find a Kansas City Chiefs image, or another image if you're not a Chiefs fan. I'm actually demonstrating on my iPad so I can easily share my screen, but I recommend just using your phone. You can search for Kansas City Chiefs logo, Kansas City Chiefs football, Chiefs background, Patrick Mahomes, Travis Kelce, Super Bowl champion, or any other search term. Again, if you're not into the Chiefs, you can search for Philadelphia Eagles, cute puppies, a coffee mug, or whatever you want your watch face to be. When you find a result, tap on the image button so you see all the images displayed. It's best to choose a photo where the focus, or what you want displayed on the Apple Watch face, is in the center without a lot of distraction around it. Step 2. Save an image to your iPhone's camera roll. When you find an image you like, tap and hold on that image and save it to your camera roll. I recommend selecting a few photos to see how they display on your Apple Watch face. You'll have the choice of the date and time of your watch being displayed either in the upper right corner of the watch or at the bottom center of your watch. Depending on your photo, a key part of it might be covered by the date. When you have multiple photos chosen, you can try each of them out to see which one works best. Step 3. Share the image to your Apple Watch. This portion of the video is filmed on my iPhone so you can see exactly what to do. I'm in my camera roll scrolling through some of the Chiefs graphics that you can find on my accompanying blog post, which I've linked to in the description box. These images were designed to work well with the Apple Watch, and you can download them from the blog post. Or just go ahead and use one of the images that you found in your Google search. This photo of the Chiefs with the little heart is the photo I'm going to demonstrate on and use on my Apple Watch face. On your iPhone, tap on the photo that you want to use as your new Apple Watch face to select it. Tap on the share icon, which is on the bottom left side of your screen. The share icon is a blue square with the upward facing arrow. Scroll to Create Watch Face and tap on it. Step 4. Choose your watch face. A new window will appear showing a mock-up of a watch face with your selected image and the date and time in 2 different positions. One watch face will have the date and time center near the bottom of the Apple Watch, and the other will have the date and time in the upper right corner. Tap to select the watch face you prefer and scroll to make any other edits like the color, the style, the fonts, and complications you want on your watch. Tap the Add button at the top of the screen to add your new watch face. Now you have a cool, custom Kansas City Chiefs Apple Watch face, and wasn't that easy? And remember, you can use the very same process for any photo that you choose, football related or not, to create your own custom Apple Watch face. As a reminder, I've created a few Chiefs graphics which work really well for Apple Watch faces, and you can download those photos in the blog post, which is linked in the description box. I'll also link to a blog post about how to make a super easy snack spread for a Chiefs watch party. Can't wait for football season. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content. And go Chiefs!